Hi guys, today we have a parcel and let's do unboxing of this parcel. It's a small parcel. You can see. Let me cut it down. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, here we have another packet. So let's quickly open it. Okay, I'm not sure which side should I open. Okay, here we have opened and you can see it's very small. Let's quickly open and see what's in there. Okay, we have taped very tightly. Okay, here is what we have in this parcel. Okay, cool. Now let's see. Actually, it's a silver coin lot. All these five coins are silver, old silver collections. Let me open it for you. Okay. Okay, here we have the coins itself. Let's start with this. 1918 3 pence. It's actually UK coin. 3 pence of 1918. Okay, here this side we have George Fifth King. And another coin we have here is 1919. 3 pence coin. This is also George Fifth King. And another coin of 1919. George Fifth King. And another coin of 1916. This is also George Fifth. Another coin of 1916. All these 5 coins are silver coins. Let's take a closer look. These all silver coins. Sooner it will be available for sale on our website. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Hope everyone liked this video. If you like, share, comment, and do. Thank you.